Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE board examination. So yung problem natin is a 25 kVA distribution transformer operates at 20% overload, 0.3 power factor lagging for 1 hour. Full load, 0.9 power factor lagging for 3 hours. 50% load, unity power factor for 8 hours. And 10% load for 0.8 power factor leading for the rest of the day. If core loss is 150 watts and full load copper loss is 500 watts, what is the all-day efficiency? Okay, let's try to solve this sample problem using our Caltech solution. So first, sa calculator nyo engineers, punta kayo sa mode 3 and then 2. Okay, let's go to our calculator. Enter mode 3 and then 2. After that, kailangan nating i-on yung ating frequency mode. So to switch on our frequency mode, just enter shift mode, cursor down, 4 and then 1. Okay? Shift mode, cursor down, 4 and then 1. So we have a display of X, Y, and frequency column. So dyan sa table natin engineers is mag-i-input tayo ng ganitong mga values. For X column, yung ilalagay natin is yung percent loading. For Y column, yung ilalagay natin is the power factor. And then for frequency column, yung ilalagay natin is the time. So first, we have 20% overload. Since this is overload, so we have 1.2. Next is full load, so that is 1.0. 50% load, so that is 0.5. And 10% load, so that is 0.1. In terms of power factor, we have 0.3 and then 0.9 unity, so that is 1, and then 0.8 power factor leading. And then for the frequency or the time, we have 1 hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, and then yung panghuli dito engineers is the rest of the day. So sa isang araw is mayroon tayong 24 hours. So therefore, ang mangyayari dito engineers is we have 24 hours, mababawasan ng isa, mababawasan ng 3 oras, at mababawasan ng 8 hours. So therefore, the rest of the day is 12 hours. So we have 12. Okay? So input lang natin to sa ating calculator engineers. So mode 3, 1. And then, mode 3 to rather. Mode 3, 2. And then, i-on natin yung frequency column. So therefore, ilalagay natin dito sa X column is the percent loading. So we have 20% overload. So we have 1.2. Full load, so that is 1.0. 50% load, so that is 0.5. And 10% load, so that is 0.1. Next, for Y column, is ilalagay natin yung mga power factors. So first, we have 0.3. Next is 0.9. Next is 1.0. And then last is 0.8. And then for frequency column is ilalagay natin yung mga time. So we have 1 hour. We have 3 hours. We have 8 hours. And the rest of the day. So therefore, yung magiging remaining hours is 12 hours. And then next is inter. So ito yung magiging display natin. Then enter EC. So enter natin yung EC. And then input natin yung summation of XY times D, yung ating rating ng ating transformer, which is 25 kVA. So summation of XY times the rating of the transformer. So we have summation of XY times 25. So yung summation of XY is SHIP 132. So shift 135 rather, times the rating of the transformer, so that is 25 kVA. Equal natin, yung magiging result dito, engineers, is stored natin sa variable A. Stored to variable A. The next input natin, summation of x squared times the copper pole load. So yung copper pole load natin dito is 500 watts. So in terms of kilowatts, so that is 0.5. So summation of x squared times the copper pole load na 0.5 watts, kilowatts. To which yung summation of x squared natin is shift 131. So summation of x squared is shift 131 times the copper pole load na 0.5 kilowatts. So we have 3.28. So yung magiging result dyan, engineers, is stored natin sa variable D. So stored to variable D. Shift stored variable D. And then next, input natin yung ating core loss, which is 150 watts. So in terms of kilowatts, so that is 0.15. So in terms of core loss, engineers, yung i-multiply natin is yung buong araw, which is 24 hours. So 0.15 times 24 hours. 0.15 times 24 equal. So yung magiging result natin dito is 3.6 stored to variable E. Stored to variable E. Okay? Then, after natin may stored to variable A, T at saka A, gagamitin natin yung ating all-day efficiency formula. So yung formula natin dito, engineers, is all-day efficiency is equal to variable A divided by variable A plus variable D plus variable A. Okay? Input lang natin. So, A divided by A plus D plus A. So in short, that is A divided by all-day efficiency. So para mas madaling tandaan. After that, enter natin yung equal. Enter equal. So we have 0.9668 or that is 96.68%. So yung magiging sagot natin dito, engineers, is letter D. Okay, let's try to simulate our Caltech solution from the very start. So sa calculator natin, mode 3, 2. Para ma-on natin yung ating frequency column, that is shift mode 4 and then 1. Then for X column, is input natin yung kanyang percent loading. So first we have 20% overload, so that is 1.2. Next is full load, so that is 1.0. 50% load, that is 0.5. And 10% load, that is 0.1. Next, input natin yung mga power factor. So we have 0.3, 0.9, unity, so that is 1, and 0.8. And then for frequency column is input natin yung mga time. So we have 1 hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, and the remaining hours of the day is 24 minus 1 minus 3 minus 8. So that is 12 hours. And then enter EC, then shift 135 summation of XY multiplied by the rating of the transformer, so that is 25. Then, yung result dito is stored natin sa variable A. The next is summation of x squared, that is shift 131 then multiplied by the full load copper loss, that is 0.5, stored natin sa variable D. And then next is the core loss, that is 0.15 times the number of hours in 1 day, so that is 24. Yung result dito is stored natin sa variable E. And then let's use our all-day efficiency formula. So that is variable E divided by all-day efficiency. So A plus D plus E. And then next, equal natin. So we have 96.68%. And that is letter D. So I hope may natutunan kayong bago sa discussion natin dito, engineers. And maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.